This is the circuit diagram for negative shunt clipper. Shunt means a diode is parallel to the load, so that is why this type of circuit is called as shunt clipper. Right? From 0 to T by 2, input is at positive side. Okay, so positive signal is giving to diode negative terminal. Obviously, it is going to be reverse bias condition. Positive signal is giving to negative terminal of the diode. Then in this situation, diode is going to be reverse bias condition. Reverse bias means it acts like a open condition, open switch condition. Okay, if it is in open condition, obviously this input signal from 0 to T by 2, obviously this peak is moving towards the output side. Okay, so from 0 to T by 2 we are getting the output signal. Why? Because here diode is in open condition. Open condition means input is moving towards the output. Next, during negative half. During negative half means T by 2 to T. T by 2 to T. This is the input. Input is at a negative peak. Negative is giving to negative terminal of the diode, right? So going to be forward bias condition. If it is in forward bias condition, it acts like a closed switch. Okay, so this part is acts like a closed switch. In this situation, input is shorted to the ground. Input is shorted to the ground. So that is why at the output side we cannot get the output. Right? So that is why during negative half we cannot get the output signal. Next, during positive half, this diode is going to be reverse bias condition, acts like a open switch. If it is in open condition, this input is moving towards the output. Obviously, whatever input is there will get same output, same input is at the it appeared at the output side. Okay. Right? Observe the output signal. Which part is clipped off here? Negative part. So that is why this type of clipper is called as a negative shunt clipper. So here we have to discuss about these two conditions. In a greater than or equals to 0, input is at a positive condition. Input is at positive condition, diode is going to be reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition. Okay. Reverse bias means open switch. Open switch. Right? So obviously input is moving towards the output side. So V0 is equals to as it is a input voltage. Next, V in less than to 0. Less than to 0 means during negative half. During negative half, diode is going to be forward bias condition. Acts like a closed switch. Right? If it is in closed switch, total input is shorted to ground. So that is why at the output side, we did not get any output. V0 is equals to 0. This is what about the negative shunt clipper. So in this class, we discussed about 4 types. What are they? Total type is only one type, that is unbiased. In that unbiased, we discussed about positive series clipper, negative series clipper. Next, positive shunt clipper, negative shunt clipper. Okay na? So in unbiased clipper, we have completed 4 types.